At European Industrial Coatings, we supply a large range of wood finishes, everything from water-based to all the different solvent-based technologies. We also supply a large range of solvents that go with the particular coatings. Our customers include kitchen and joinery manufacturers and fit-out companies. We provide technical support for our customers, so when you contact us first, we'll visit you, we'll assess your products that you are making, and we'll recommend a suitable wood coating for you.
Our mission is to supply all our customers with a quality product at a competitive price. So many of our competitors are content with supplying product but not giving the after service or not giving them at the price they want it. Once we receive your order, it goes into production immediately. Order goes into the warehouse, the bases are picked, colours are tinted, and we have your order delivered within 24 to 48 hours.
We have been working with EI Coatings since they opened. The Irish environment is a very harsh environment where we can have 4 seasons in one day. Toughness and longevity is very important to cows, and EI Coatings can provide us that.
Quality is key to our business. For every can of paint that we make, it's important that it meets all the standards. We check it for opacity, for gloss, for durability, to ensure that it meets the standards of all our customers.